Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be looking at this Mercury tilt sensor HW-505. So basically it is a switch to
1 hour later.
indicate if there's any tilt. So let's say if you want to balance a sensor on top of something, and if the sensor were to fall, you could use this to determine if that sensor has really fallen out of its position. So the mechanism is quite simple. Basically there's this magnetic ball, and there's two contact point here. One is shorter than the other. So when the ball is contact with both the conductive pin, the sensor is horizontal, and if it is not, that means it is tilted. So there are only 3 pins to this: negative, positive, and the signal pin. So we can use digital read through Arduino to read what state this sensor it is in. So let's dive in and see how to wire this sensor. So as usual, I'll be using Arduino Uno, a red LED together with a 10 kilo ohm resistor. So I'll be using pin 2 and pin 3 from Arduino. Pin 2 is to read the state of this sensor, and pin 3 is to activate this LED whenever it is in a tilted position. So let's do the wiring. Ground and 5 volts. Pin 3 and pin 2. So 5 volts through the red wire. Negative ground through this black wire, and the signal is from this green wire. First, let's connect the sensor. So we can follow the wiring color. So ground, I'll be using this dark gray. 5 volt through this red pin, and sensor through this green pin. Okay, so now to activate the red LED when the sensor is tilted, the short leg is negative while the long leg is positive. So I can go ahead and put a short leg together with the black wires, and now I'll use the resistor from the positive leg of the LED to the white wire, which is connected to pin 3. So now let's connect it, and now let's look at the code. So I'm using pin 2 to read the sensor, and pin 3 to communicate with the red LED. So my Mercury switch will be input because I'm reading from the sensor, while for red pin will be output because I'm giving out the sensor from Arduino. I'll be using a baud rate of 9600. So since I'm only reading 1 or 0, I can use Boolean variable for Boolean data type for the variable state. So basically it will just read 1 or 0 from the sensor pin, and then if the sensor pin is high, I'm going to turn on the LED for for short duration, and then if not, it will be turned off. And I'll be reading the sensor at an interval of, I think this is 100 millisecond. So you can change this to whatever you like. It could be 1 second as well. So let's upload this to Arduino. Okay, now so let's say it's in a horizontal position. You are getting a state of 0 and the LED is off. So let's say if I tilt the sensor, the state is 1 and the LED is turned on. So basically why I'm showing this LED is that you can use this logic to turn whatever you want on. It could be a motor, a DC motor, or any other function you want the sensor to activate. So thank you. Hopefully this is useful. Please like and subscribe. I'm looking to hit 1000 subscribers soon. So thank you. Bye bye.